I'm looking for the correct capacitor for an Armstrong air conditioner model #SCU10E30A1.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Yes, checked thermostat and replaced filters, removed capacitor, checked at 2000 ohms, not getting a reading.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I already have capacitor removed.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I appreciate your help and will contribute if necessary. There are no markings on the capacitor and I cannot find this information online.
Should be a 45th https://www.amazon.com/89m76 Armstrong round capacitor upgrade /DP/B00is21s.
Thank you. I should receive the unit next week. If I remember, I will report back.
Please do. Thanks for letting me help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.